Who doesn't love a crispy, crunchy, savory for a snack? And even better is the fact that it gathers a little more taste and flavor when we make it by ourselves at our homes. And the good news is this recipe needs just 5 ingredients. Therefore, in this episode, let us learn to prepare this easy, tasty, crispy and crunchy rice vadas at our homes. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. Here we have taken about 200 grams or 1 cup of dosa rice, washed them, soaked them for 30 minutes and sun-dried them completely beforehand. Once the rice is ready, the next step is to take a heavy bottomed pan and roast 1/4 cup or about 50 grams of Urad Dal. So therefore, for every 1 measurement of rice, we take 1/4 measure of Urad Dal. We have to roast the Urad Dal on medium flame till it gathers its fragrance and turns golden in color. And now it is time to finely powder the sun-dried rice and dry roasted Urad Dal with the help of a mixer grinder or a flour mill. Once we have powdered these ingredients, let us transfer this into a mixing bowl and add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds to this. The next in the list is King of Taste, Mr. Salt. Add salt as per your taste as well as to suit the proportion of ingredients. After adding the salt, let us add 2 tablespoons of butter. And now let us give this all a good mix and make sure that butter is incorporated thoroughly. The next is to mix it along with the water little by little. We needed about 225 ml of water for this mixture. And it is also important to note the fact that this is not sticking to the hand, which means the rice vada mixture is ready. To fry these rice vadas, we are heating coconut oil. Rice vadas come out really tasty if fried in coconut oil. But having said that, you can choose the oil of your preference. And finally, it is time to shape these rice vadas. Here we have taken a non-stick plate to flatten these rice vadas. Once we have shaped these beautifully, it is time to drop them delicately and carefully into the hot oil. To make sure that the rice vadas puff up, it is a good idea to give a gentle press with the ladle. We have to fry these beauties till they turn golden in color. To cook these perfectly, it is a good idea to turn down the flame and fry these on a medium flame when they start changing the color. This is it, my dear friends. Easy, tasty, crispy and crunchy rice vadas are ready by just using 5 ingredients. We request you to prepare this at your homes and enjoy this with your family as well as friends. If you like this recipe and the video, do like the video and also share this video with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.